Home inspection versus appraisal. You need to know the difference. As a home buyer, there are two contingencies you will most likely put in place with your offer: home inspection and appraisal. So what is the difference between the two? Hi, I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty. When you decide to buy your first home, you may have a general idea on what a home inspection is, but maybe you're not sure why you need one or how it is different from an appraisal. Let's explore the two, so you as a buyer can be more informed about the process and how it benefits you as a consumer. With a home inspection, once your offer is accepted, getting an inspection is a key part of the process. A home inspection will give you an idea of the safety and overall condition of the home, and more importantly, foresee any unexpected repairs. Realtor.com reports a home inspection is something that protects your financial interest in what is likely to be the largest purchase you make in your life, and one where you need as much information as possible. If anything comes up questionable in the inspection, like an HVAC system or appliances, that will give you the opportunity to negotiate any replacements or repairs. Now, let's talk about the home appraisal. The home appraisal is a report your lender will most likely request, and it will give you the home's value based on the comparables in the neighborhood. According to real estate website Bankrate, an appraisal verifies that the sale price of the home is in line with fair market value. This ensures the home buyer doesn't pay for more than the home is worth. Bottom line, the inspection and the appraisal are different but equally important when buying a home. It is always important to discuss these two contingencies with your agent so you can have an expert guidance on your purchase and strategize your offer. Please reach out to my team and I for more detailed information on the appraisal and home inspection process and how we can help you find your perfect home. I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, giving you your perfect home made in LA.